How to change region in App Store on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your region in App Store. Now you can do so using your iPhone or iPad to change your region. All you have to do is you can simply open up settings. Once you open up settings, you're on tap on your profile at the top, and now here you can see various options, right? And then here you want to head into the option that says media and purchases. So you want to tap on media and purchases and then tap on view account option. Now once under view account, you want to select the option that says country or region. Now I'll not be hitting it here, but you'll have to head into country or region option, then select your new country or region and then tap change country or region, and then tap your new country or region and then review the terms and conditions, and you are good to go. So this is the way that you can change region in App Store. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.